Government of Manipur observes Vijay Diwas. Chief Minister N. Biren asks security forces to be on alert as influx continues unabated. Handover Meitei's dead bodies as Kuki's dead bodies handed over, appeals President of Shiv Sena Manipur Unit M. Tombi. And National Highway 37 banded Patsoi Konthojam Assembly constituency suspended for 3 months. Hello Kurum Jerry, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. While lauding the role of central and state force personnel in tackling the present law and order situation in the state, Chief Minister N. Biren asked the security forces to be on alert as the influx of illegal immigrants continues unabated in border areas. The Chief Minister was speaking at the observance of Vijay Diwas organized by the state government at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall today. It may be noted that every year 16th December is celebrated as Vijay Diwas across the country to mark India's victory over Pakistan in the 1971 war and to pay tribute to the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country. Following a 13-day battle, India secured a triumph over Pakistan on this day in 1971, leading to the creation of Bangladesh, earlier known as East Pakistan. Chief Minister N. Biren and Minister of Forest, Environment and Climate Change Thongam Biswajit were the main guests at the observance. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly T.H. Satyabrata, other Cabinet Ministers, MLA's Chief Secretary Dr. Vinay Joshi, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, DGP Rajiv Singh and other top government officials attended the program. Speaking further, Chief Minister N. Biren said, the 16th of December signifies a crucial chapter in the history of India and Indian military. He said the India-Pakistan war over the then East Pakistan started on December 3, 1971 with Pakistan launching sudden attack at Indian Airfield 11. The war continued for 13 days and culminated with the surrender of Pakistan's Eastern Command to the Joint Forces of India. Vijay Diwas is a day to honor the courage, sacrifice and bravery of the soldiers who fought against Pakistan and to pay tribute to the martyrs, the Chief Minister said.
Manipur ki context, I really want to appreciate one and all, particularly those who are in the security forces, Army and some rifles, BSF, CRPF, Manipur Police. Last 6 months, nakoina tumde zade stage the peace program bana bada lawri of the thakdang mayam do I nakoi boy but from the bottom of the heart I appreciate the way hota hai misunderstanding communication gap lekin jointly if futamaka paramilitary forces sing army the state police force mayam tawrka ngasi thoning the thoma thogo mayam ki masing handa laiba sei nakoi mayam da appreciate tawningi adu galoina Manipur ki praja sing ye akan support cooperation dagi ekoi kharakai fibam phagala hai. We cannot take it easy. जो म्यांमार में जो अभी हो रहा है इसको आप लोग easy मत लेना क्योंकि influx जो है इतना ज़्यादा हो गया अभी और जैसे हम कन्ना वहाँ पे bombing चल रहा है और counter attack चल रहा है as per information available to me तो इसीलिए काफी आ गया है और आने का संख्या भी है सिविल पुलिस और बायोमेट्रिक लेने वाला मशीन और कैम्प का मटेरियल के साथ इमीडिएटली इसको भेजना चाहिए क्योंकि मेरे को जो इंफॉर्मेशन मिला है अभी दे आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू ऑफेंसिव हम कन्ना आदा तौनबसिना मर मरकांदा मोइगी लाइब खरदो फजन मेंटेन तौबिरगा बायोमेट्रिक लौबिरगा खोपिरगा शेल्टर कैम्प तो सेंबिरकांदा मतम खरगी ह्यूमैनिटी ग्राउंड मतें पांगबा सिदी नो वन कैन डिनाई इट एंड वी आल्सो डिड नॉट डिनाई अखोइना हाइबदि नोय अदु तौदना मनुम संगबे खुन दासनगनु हाइबगतन जस्ट temporary the later we are going to provide, we are providing food, we are providing medicine, we are providing tent to stay, everything. Aduna policing show no serious way the habinate border area sidai the alert hoiba mathok ta gani huji lai situation sida koi thataruk target se economically moment si laittabane na aikoida senthumgi awaba adagi chathok chasingi praja singi awaba mayam mai koi face samari adu hujik situation improve to bogloina na koi highway singa leiriba athingba singa yamba hangtore adu bukoigi public sing chu chatpa yana na bagi koi lambi yakpa koi hore kina bagi chana da bani adu bu kidana bu doi koina to bata adagi amana social media community amagi marakta mistrust of where ba kari da where ba si yam na thola kare aduna masi sima especially beneath cyber crime matlab iska special sub committee bana ke na alag se rakho madu mai ta honingi aina yadaba mapandagi lakwa both the illegal but those who are inside the country, those who are the citizen of India, we cannot differentiate equally treatment people that way. I call it Panamaki. Adu kumbagi matang khara confusion like any aduna koi mayam punna manipur se yam thuna thu matam da normalcy hanegi manipur do hanegi du karma manipur always manipur stood in the last 6 years first second third in the entire competitions of the nation har ek mein नीति आयोग में भी हो इंडस्ट्री का हो जो भी है और नासा का रेटिंग में हो इंडिया टुडे के रेटिंग में हो नीति आयोग का रेटिंग में हो मणिपुर ऑलवेज कम फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ अदु हंजन न बय कोई मैं पुनम तंग होन मिनसी हाइजर के मैं पुनम कोई थागसरी खुरमजरी
कानून की कोई बयान जगह अमगा कोई नुवाई न तब पिन न बात तो मिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग की थोकी पुनम सिंदा सरकार ना अचौब थुदान के लौर का अंदर शांति पुरम बगे गिरम सिंदा पाकट पचे दुदो हेदोन सिगी एसएसउ पनिंगा को पोसे कम ओय हैदना आई पंजाबी दुगा लोना आई अपील तबजरी मणिपुर अदुगा कोई भारत मपुंग फाब स्ट्रांग कंट्री मो ओरकली पुस्ते हेने मपुंग फाब कंट्री मो ओन बाय से कोई पुरमकी नॉट ओनली सोल्जर खतरना every citizen of the country is a countryman ki haki chaw responsibility da kan lai have si criminal har kan da chapat ko manipur ma oina ba ona minisi have si to every community ki leaders in community ki kudama ki viewers in da aina apil to jadiba
President of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit M. Tombi urged the authority concerned to make arrangement to bring back dead bodies of Meiteis and hand them over to their kinstu at the earliest. He was speaking at a press meet held at Shiv Sena's office at Babupara today. M. Tombi further questioned as to why no action has been taken by the Kuki MLAs who have been trying to break up Manipur. He maintained that the government must acknowledge that the anguished students have put down pens and picked up guns, while the farmers and laborers who are daily wage earners have now picked up guns to save the motherland in this desperate situation. No politics can subdue the angst of the youth going to foothills to protect the villages and the mothers spending cold nights in the street to guard the villages, he said. And Tombi continued that although dead bodies of Kukis have been airlifted to their villages safely following the order of the Supreme Court, only 4 dead bodies of Meiteis have been handed over so far. Besides, many bodies are still untraceable and final rites for many have been conducted without the mortal remains, he said.
अखोई मी से मांग करगा फार मी दुसु पुलिस की मखुत तार मतुंग द मी दु कराई द लेबनो क्रमाई तो बनो हाबिदो खंगब सु ngasi बौदा सेंट्रल द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट थोपि दो मदुर मरम वरकान द सुरु मचेनो फी मचेनो फंद्रो कान द अखोई की धर्म कर्म की मतुंगिना पांगोम न बोलोइबो अदुग नाकल मरमदना कुकी सिंह की लाइतबा डेड बॉडी सिंह तवन बी एनजीओ सिंह तवन पुलिस फोर्स सिंह मयाम द ngasi बौमुदा रिम्स अमदी जेनिम्स दा डेड बॉडी हुंफु टिक तो कायदना थम्मगा छिन्नबगी वखल लोनमदा अदुग टीब खंगरब सिंगु यानरब मतुंगदा अखोई की मोइगी आइडेंटिफिकेशन तौनरगा सरू मसेन अमतंग फी मसेन अमतंग पीगी मदुगी सेवा तौगे हेदना अखोइना एम्बुलेंस पार्टी ऑफिस दा अखोइ 24/7 अखोइ ड्राइवर अदुग थाव अखोइ रेडी तौले खंगौदना रिम्स अमदी अखोइगी जेनिम्स की डायरेक्टर की करिकुंबा knowledge of the Yogana, central government, as far as section of the High Court, Supreme Court. Or by I, Adu Takbir Mahone, Takbir Toy, Maza authority money, make puning Shokotovak, Sakas, Nayam, Tawi Haiba, Hyman Matoy.
General Secretary of Shiv Sena Women's Wing, 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬, contended that providing compensation for all the killings will not contain crisis. She further urged the centre and the state government to bring a solution to the state crisis at the earliest. The indefinite ban on Imphal-Jiribam Road National Highway 37 called from December 13 against the non-repair of the stretch of the national highway between Patsoi and Konthojam assembly constituencies has been suspended for 3 months. The suspension of the ban comes after an agreement between JACC National Highway 37 and the authority to repair the road within 3 months. The JACC also has warned of launching intense agitation if the authority fails to keep its promise within the next 3 months. After a meeting of the representative of JACC National Highway 37 and General Manager of NHIDCL Lieutenant Colonel Sarachandra in presence of SP Imphal West Shivakanta and OC Patsoi Station was held. Avantika company, which had been in charge of road construction work, has been terminated. A new tender will reportedly be issued and work order will be issued to contractor Sanjit Singh to take up road construction work with 3-4 months.
Sanjaliba, we send our 37 and be semi-the Kujanase, Matam Karagi, Ta, Humgren, and Topa, Dana, Koyanare, Yanabagi, Madam C, Fajula, Lambi, Patak and Sanjida, Hana Pairamba, Avantika company, say, Terminate Tokre, do not know what Tenderama talks about. Lambi say, semi-never later, Madam Weraga. Matam Karagi, and over Tenderama to another company, Malaki Pogiduina, the Lambi maintenance, Torga, Matam Karagi, Sapiana, was here by Nayanare, Adu Masigi Lambi Sema, Yamba. Sanjitchingna daita loba du ma masana semba haidana akoi JESSY ga punamaka aduga mai ben mai bai lupsinga punyana matungda lambi si tha ahum goina akoi khongjang ji handok sare aduga tha ahum da fajana long term plan da lambi si colorbar nei lambi punama se fajana semi ta taragadi akoi akan khongjang makha ta sanction bai se lepi ba decision je ma toina leminaraga banna si tha ahum goina akoi handok sare.
District Health Society Thoubal, Block Health Society Thoubal and Jenims Imphal jointly organized the 3rd Ayushman Bhava campaign Come Health Mela at Community Health Center, Yaripok today. Chief Medical Officer Thoubal Dr. Y. Nokul, District Program Manager of National Health Mission Thoubal CH Basanta, CHC Yaripok MO in charge Dr. Robinson inspected the Health Mela. Stalls of chest and respiratory medicine, OBG medicine, ENT, orthopedics, pediatrics, dermatology, ophthalmology, psychiatry, surgery, dental department, etc. were opened during the Health Mela and different specialist doctors provided treatment on the occasion. Help desk of Ayushman Bhava PMJY CMHD was opened and verification of beneficiaries and cards were also distributed at the Health Mela. Speaking on the occasion, MO in charge of CHC Yaripok, Dr. Robinson said, the Health Mela under the Ayushman Bhava was launched in September. The Health Mela will be held at different CHC every month.
Specialist doctors in general doctor specialist doctor Kaitunghari Matantari District Health Society dagi Rendirapa Pagi Yellow Sing Adegi NCD Cell Mayam Puna Health Camp Melach Mangkok Jabani Masigi Health Melaching Asin Umlok Subani Melachida NCD Dasu Ava Enrollment NCD Checkup Enrollment Luxury Edi CMST PNJYD Pagi Enrollment Su Nasi Mangkok Jadi Nasi Health Melachida Lem Su Bidala Kudimaki Anabasing Di Maila Padidala Lem Panjari lab facility su lem na makal kudingi pagi blood test urine test pagi kana SIBD kay kay na matiyot kudima masige pagi lab sida lem na loy panjari.
Now let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, 𝐂𝐤𝐯 School. Excellence in Education.
Diabetes ko loy na hingliba seng tha magi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tha magi manungda hantaba ngamle. Khong ham banungay tebasu numit mga nigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu tha magi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oy basu tha magi manungda fagat han bangamle. Pumnamag natural oy ba hidak makhalna layang jabani. Hakjang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathaw su tararoy. Hena kupa parol gidamag ngasi maklangsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 Manihar, father of one of the 13 Meiteis martyrs killed by Kuki militants at Leithang Kuki village in Tingnopal district, 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 alias 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 26, son of 26 of 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 has expressed the lives of villagers of 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 are still at stake with Kuki militants frequently launching guns and bombs attack at the village. Manihar said this to media persons on the sidelines of staff of Ningthojam Motors led by its proprietor Ningthojam Shivadatta's visit at the residence of late martyr 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 at Lilong Chazing to extend financial assistance of 10,000 rupees to the bereaved family. Manihar said there is no regret that his son 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 sacrificed his life for the motherland. However, being a father, he could see how broken his son was to fight the Kuki militants wielding sophisticated weapons with just a single barrel, he continued. Not getting to not hear his son address him as Baba is heartbreaking. However, all the repentances vanished the moment he remembers his son sacrificed his life for the motherland, Manihar said. The lives of people of 𝐍𝐴𝐻 are still at stake as there has been no respite from Kuki attacks, Manihar added.
ꯑꯩ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯝꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯣꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯀꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯇꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯆꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯂꯥꯎ ꯂꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯇꯠꯂꯈꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯎꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯕꯕꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯟꯗꯨ ꯈꯣꯟꯖꯦꯜꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯁꯨꯐꯪ ꯐꯪꯗꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ.
Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch congratulated live members of the branch, Rajkumari Romila Devi and Mongjam Ranjit Singh, on having conferred doctorate degree, Doctor of Philosophy in Self-Defense and Martial Arts, by World Buffalo Oshi Jiu-Jitsu Kai Organization, Brazil. A press release issued by Secretary of IRCS Bishnupur District Branch, Dr. Huijom Roman Singh said, Dr. Rajkumari Romila is the 8th daughter of R.K. Nilamani and Lairen Lakpam Ningol Ningthemcha Ongbi Achobi of Kongba Makha Nandebam Laikai. She is married to Monoharmayung Kanta Sharma of Brahmapur, Mangjil Mamang Kongba Road, while Dr. Mongjam Ranjit is the 3rd son of Mongjam Ibohal and Mutum Ningol Mongjam Ongbi Gunarashi of Nambol Laitongjam Khori Leikai. They were both conferred the doctorate degree under guidance of General Secretary of All India Kung Fu Federation, Sifu Dr. Huijom Roman, and under the supervision of Chairman of South Asia Kung Fu Federation, Sanda Committee, Sifu Dr. Narendra Thokchom. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Government of Manipur observes Vijay Diwas, Chief Minister and Biren asks security forces to be on alert as influx continues unabated. Handover Meitei's dead bodies as Kuki's dead bodies handed over, appeals President of Shiv Sena Manipur Unit M. Tombi. And National Highway 37 banned at Patsoi, Konthojam Assembly constituency suspended for 3 months. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.